fucking Jesus, fucking quick. Fucking Jesus, fucking quick, bro. It's still there. God damn. On your beep. On your beep. Habibi, Habibi. Hello, buddy. Sit in for the spot, Habibi. Habibi, Habibi. Oh no, the freaking cops are onto us. Fucking get them. Whoa. I'm giving her all she's got. No, they're on us, man. Quick Macca's run because we've got to feed up and stuff. Here with Mr. EK1, Mr. Alex. And yeah, this is my passenger princess. I know, Raider, 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. I think that's a 10. Rate my passenger princess. Raider. That's my fucking car. Can I get that? Don't worry what he says. That's my car. Hey yo. Can I get that? Oh no, 10 out of 10. Yeah, what a glamour. Bro, he's fucking, you're fanboying the shit out of me, bro. Give him the little chops. Bro, he's having the fucking time of his life up there, bro. You know the transmission that blew up. You blew up? Yeah. You really want to know? Yeah, go.
No, I can't say it. I'll fucking start crying.
Bro, how sick was that?
I'll give you that. 5.5. Bro, what the fuck? Like, we're just a cop on the freeway.
Bro, out of nowhere.
So out of nowhere, so fucking Jetty and fucking vest, bro.
Bro, yeah. It was fucking sick in
Hop inside an Audi, then I hit the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I wanna. Smoking marijuana, keep it hotter than a sauna. Smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They texted me to a challenge and they didn't show up. Where they at though? Pop out at your party and I got the sticks tucked. You just wiped out on your skateboard looking like a dumb fuck. Mama told me get a bag and I said run it up. With the naughty and a jag, but I need a bench truck. I need real cheese, big ass peso. Don't fuck with me or this fucking bankroll. Got a 4.0 GPA on the road. Beating up and down the freeway, didn't pay a single toll. If you fuck with my money moves, I'll make it rest relevant. I'll make all of these niggas mad. They might scream and cry and vent. I might stack up 100 racks and buy me an elephant. I might send you another fact. Could you tell me if it's sent? Hop inside an Audi, then I hit the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I wanna. Smoking marijuana, keep it hotter than a sauna. Smoking till the sun up. They asked me.
Bro, why was I not? Bro, I didn't put this in there.
I think there's an Asian club up there.
Is it?
I'll just get the fucking headlights popping up. No.
If I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They tested me to a challenge and they didn't show up. Didn't show up, I'm knocking at your door, right? Taking meds till I pass out on the floor, right? If a nigga step up, I say goodnight. Written on the ground in chalk, all that off-white. Put you right up on a shirt. I'll be damned if I never put in work. You a broke ass bitch, your pockets hurt. And I carry an Uzi, no vert, chillin' in a jacuzzi. My way.
Bro, what a fucking view!
Yeah, I know, right?
This is
Fucking nice
cute.
spot, eh?
Oh, this is cute.
Show the real view, bro. I'm joking.
The review down here. Nah.
What's the rear view?
Bro,
Not just dirt.
look at that.
We'll fall in if we fucking. Are we gonna sink into the floor if we jump in there?
Yes.
Hey, look how big the torch is, bro. Look. Ready?
City? Oh, wait, you can't even see. Can you put a light there? Oh, it's an RX7 and the fossil. RX7.
Oh yeah. What's in it? So, it's a beautiful view. Look, there's a perfectly placed white pole for you here. You bring your girl, bend her over that bitch. I'll show you the I can under the sea.
You mean in the sea?
So we're here, out, WRX Law,
I don't know if it's recording.
Oslo.
I don't know if it's recording. LOL. Oh. That's RX7.
They probably can't see it. That's alright.
One Habib. This one's taking a piece. Look at him. Oh shit.
We're gonna stop this us.
Beautiful bridge. Look, we got white Travis Scott here. I can't lie. Oh shit. He's at the right height.
Hey.
Oh, my bad player. My bad pimp.
So there, something in there, buddy? Yeah. You do, you actually do. This is Mr. Tristan. He drives this car here, a Corolla RS.
Corolla RS?
Yeah, it's pretty dope, isn't it?
It's pretty dope.
Yeah, it's alright. It's average.
I'd say it's not that great.
Yeah, it's alright. It's
It's a good deal. No! You're fuzzy. What? You're fuzzy. I'm gonna shave it. I thought it was.
That was like. Oh.
Bro, that's crazy. These guys, there's just people and we just like tapping each other up.
Oh.
Cheese, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't in that racket. Dots came in, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know you stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry.